Child and chili. Child definition. A child is a young human being who is not yet an adult. Generally, a child is considered to be a person between infancy and adolescence. Examples: the playground was filled with children playing and laughing. She works with children with special needs at the local school. Chili definition. Chili refers to a spicy pepper, often used in cooking to add heat and flavor to dishes. It can also refer to a stew-like dish containing chili peppers, meat, tomatoes, and beans. Examples: she added some chopped chili to the curry for an extra kick. We enjoyed a bowl of hot chili on a cold winter evening. Differences. The key difference between child and chili lies in their meanings and usage. Child refers to a young human being, while chili refers to a type of pepper or a specific dish. They belong to completely different categories of words, with child being a noun representing a person and chili being a noun representing a type of food or ingredient. It is important to note that these words are not related in meaning or pronunciation, and they are used in distinct contexts. While child is a common word used in everyday conversations, chili is more specific to cooking and food-related discussions.